Andy, back at it again, folks. Today we're going to be doing an office makeover at my office. So this is the workstation that I have. It's right in my living room, believe it or not. It's where I get the most natural light. So I set up my office here, and what we're going to be doing is a makeover. I'm going to be switching the portable dock that I've been using for years with this one right here from Kensington. It's their SD1700P USB-C dual 4K portable dock with wireless Qi charging. So this is the device right here. And what we're gonna do is switch it over. Let me just move up to show you what I was currently using. This one, I've had this for years, this dock. And for the most part, it has worked, but it's time for a makeover. Kensington is a brand that I've really been liking as of late. If you look back over here, if I move you'll notice that's a Kensington webcam. Unfortunately, the way that I have it docked, it can't go up any higher, so I have to really lean my laptop back when I'm doing Zoom calls. But after using this, I'm really kind of becoming a fan of this brand. So what I'm going to be doing is continuing this makeover with another Kensington product, this one right here. So I'm going to put my camera down, and then we're going to just kind of take this off, and let's see if it plug and plays, and all of this comes right back up, because that's really the test to see if this works as it advertised. Okay, so I have everything connected to the Kensington dock, and USB is connected to my laptop. And here's the results, folks. An absolute instant office makeover from one little dock from Kensington. The last thing I want to check is the wireless Qi. So I'm going to put my phone right in the middle, and let's see if it starts charging. Boom, it starts charging right away. So I got wireless charging on my smartphone while I can work at the same time. So if you have one of these new laptops with just a USB-C port, you're gonna need a dock. This one from Kensington really does the trick. I love the portability of it, and also the functionality, the way it looks, creates a nice sleek office look no matter where you are. Once again, folks, we are reviewing the Kensington SD1700P USB-C dual 4K portable dock with wireless Qi charging. Big name because it can do a lot. It's really the Swiss Army knife of modernity. So if you do have one of these new laptops, you're definitely going to need one of these docks. I highly recommend you get this one. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about docks. And we'll see you again next time.